Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Gather ingredients and tools before starting to make a chocolate milkshake at home. You will need 2 cups cold whole milk, 4 scoops vanilla ice cream, and 1/3 cup chocolate syrup. Optional add-ins include 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for extra flavor. Prepare tools. Use a blender, tall glass, spoon, measuring cups, and a straw for serving. Chill the glass in the freezer for 10 minutes to keep the shake colder longer. Measure ingredients precisely to achieve a balanced texture and consistent sweetness every time. Add 4 scoops vanilla ice cream and 2 cups cold whole milk into the blender. Pour 1/3 cup chocolate syrup directly over the ice cream for rich flavor. Secure the lid tightly and pulse 3 times to break up large ice pieces. Blend on medium speed for 20 seconds, then increase to high for 15 seconds. Stop and scrape down the sides with a spatula if necessary, then blend again. Aim for a smooth, thick consistency that pours slowly but still moves. Pour the finished milkshake into the chilled glass using a rubber spatula. Top with 2 tablespoons whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, and a cherry. Insert a straw and serve immediately to preserve froth and optimal temperature. For a thicker shake, add 1/2 cup extra ice cream or 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. To make it dairy-free, use 2 cups almond milk and coconut milk ice cream. Clean the blender immediately by adding warm water and a drop of dish soap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.